What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing good and staying safe out there, because today we have an adventure. We're heading down to Orange County, specifically Tustin, to visit the Micro Center out there. Now, I live in LA and it takes about an hour to get to Micro Center. If you guys don't know what a Micro Center is and you are somebody who uses PCs or an enthusiast or a builder, what rock have you been living on? Micro Center is like the Toys R Us for all PC builders or people that just use PCs. So we're heading out there. Also, I'm meeting somebody out there to do a little something, which I'll explain later on in this video, but it's gonna be cool. So he has some parts that we're gonna meet up with him, grab some parts, and then hopefully check out Micro Center as well and see what does Micro Center actually have, because I might pick up a few things, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, 1 hour to get there. Let's head out, because I don't want to be stuck in LA traffic whatsoever. That is LA traffic. If you've not witnessed it, you don't want to witness it, because it can get pretty crazy. This is when everybody's either going on lunch break or they're going home for the day. I am headed to Micro Center right now because I'm gonna meet another person who's in the PC business, and we're gonna be doing a project together, and you guys will know more about this project December 1st, because December 1st, I'm gonna go on TikTok Live and I'm gonna explain what this project is about, so you guys do not want to miss that. But as well as going to meet this guy, I am going down to Micro Center because I need to get one part or maybe two parts. It never ends up being one part when you go to Micro Center, because it's like the Toys R Us for PC builders. So we're gonna hopefully see what they got and handle this business, and hopefully traffic starts picking up. We have arrived, ladies and gentlemen, to Micro Center right over there. You guys can't tell, but we are here, and traffic was pretty bad, but we got here in like an hour and 10 minutes, but we arrived. Now we just gotta wait for my boy to arrive, so then we can get the stuff we need from him and head on inside. How you doing, man? Chilling, man? You doing good? Hey, we got a dog action going on. So this right here is Tony. Tony is in charge of a channel called Modernized Tech. I mean, Tony, tell him what you do.
Well, my name's Tony, like you said, but my channel is called Modernized Tech. We wholesale PC parts in general. Usually, we're suppliers to other vendors, local shops, things like that, or just reality builders around here.
Cool. And where can they find you at?
At Modernized Tech at TikTok.
Sweet. All right, well, let's see what Tony's got for us in his arsenal. So what do we got here, Tony? Oh my God, you got the PC. This is a slinging PC part car.
It's a work in progress. I was debating whether I'm gonna go take it to the shop today. I might do something. I might water block my GPU, but I just love this shroud so much. So what I might do is switch it out for an Asus TUF 4090. Okay. And just keep this as a spare card. Okay. And just water block the Asus TUF instead. Dude,
this looks really dope. When did you build this?
When was it, like 2 weeks ago, I believe? Or a week ago? Yeah.
For sure, man. It looks clean. You got the blood fluid in there, EKWB.
Yeah.
We got a 4090 Strix. Looking clean, man. Looking clean.
14900K under there. 128 gigs of DDR5.
Nice, man.
Z790E. I was gonna go crazy with the Maximus, bro, but I'd rather sell it instead.
What parts we have? What parts we have here? Okay, Z690 Tomahawk, DDR5.
Yes,
right? Okay, cool. We got a Z790E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, Strix.
This is something that's gonna go into either a white build. I haven't messed with Cougar too much, so I've been trying to sway away from them a little bit, only because I don't know much about them. It's just the only reason that really swayed me against this was for a 3.0 power supply.
ATX 3.0? Yeah. Gotta make sure that 40 series card is fine, right?
Yeah, a little spare.
Okay.
A little AM4 action,
Yeah, dude. You be selling it back of this car, huh?
A little last gen, bro. It's an oldie but goodie type situation. 3070 Ti. It's not out of the ring.
We got a Zotac.
But for whenever I need to refill a little bit.
I'm actually gonna be doing a new build. We're gonna be changing the color up on the main PC. That's something for you guys to look out for very soon.
A little 4060 Ti action, bro. Not too much, nothing too heavy,
Nice 4060 Ti from PNY.
3070 Sitting in the back in the arsenal. We need, bro. And then boom.
And then we got a 4060 dual from Asus. OC edition, people. Don't forget, OC edition. All right, so we got everything we needed from Modernized Tech, Big Tony himself. And Tony, before I leave you and go inside Micro Center so I can spend all my money, what do you want to tell the people?
Just stay tuned. He's got an announcement for you December 1st. Whatever it is, we can't say anything much about it right now, but overall, things are coming. You know,
things are coming. Stay tuned. And again, you can find Tony at Modernized Tech. I'll leave his link down below. And right now, I'm about to go inside and see what happens. Put these in the car. All right. Now that we got everything set up with Big Tony, we finished up the meetup. Let's go ahead and go inside Micro Center to see what they got going on. Let's check it out. We are at the build your own section in Micro Center. If you guys have never been to Micro Center, this is like computer heaven. Lots of components, lots of items. So if you're ever building a PC, you don't really need to get anything online if you have a Micro Center nearby. And I'm talking about, they have tons of components. I mean, look, these are the fans that Micro Center has. And this is to the roof, like literally up and down. We have fans all over this section. Corsair, we have NZXT, and tons of Lee & Lee fans, unit fans, infinity fans, just a whole bunch of fans. Now let me show you what I'm a fan of. They're GPUs, because Micro Center has tons of GPUs, whether you're an AMD fanboy or you're a fan of the green machine. Tons of GPUs, and I think the reason why everybody really wants to be near a Micro Center is because of all the availability of GPUs that they have. This is not the only aisle for GPUs, because the green side is on the other side, and that is the NVIDIA side. Because take a look, ladies and gentlemen, NVIDIA graphics cards, and tons of graphics cards here, just tons. Now believe it or not, they are kind of low. Actually, they don't have any 4080s or 4090s, which is a rare occurrence, but they got 4070s and they got 4070 Ti's. They have a lot of those cards, as well as 4060s and 4060 Ti's. But yeah, every type of manufacturer, Gigabyte, MSI, Asus, all of them are here. This is why everybody wants to live near a Micro Center. Now I gotta say, this is the reason why I love having the Micro Center so close to me, is because of their water cooling section. They have fittings, they have liquids, and they have some self-starter kits. So if you are into water cooling but brand new into it, well, they got you set up with these starter packs. Definitely comes in clutch at times when I'm working on a PC and I don't want to wait for Amazon or Newegg. I just jump over in the car and just head on over to Micro Center, because they have pretty much all the fittings. Right now, these usually are in different spots, but you get the idea. And if all these chassis are not enough, well, Micro Center has a chassis garage where they actually have a warehouse type of aisle where it just has all PC cases in the back. So, I mean, you are bound to find a case that will match your style and your build at Micro Center. This is nuts. Well, that is it for Micro Center. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, and if you guys never been to a Micro Center, you always want to see what it looks like, well, you just saw what it looks like. Pretty cool store. Also managed to cop a 14600K processor for an upcoming build that we're going to be doing on this channel. And if you guys enjoyed this type of video, these kind of vlog videos, let me know in the comments down below, because I'll be more than happy to do more of these kind of videos in the near future. But that is all she wrote, folks. And if you guys enjoyed this, throw a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because there is more content coming your way very soon. Especially we got CES in like a month and a half, so definitely a lot of content. But guys, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.